If you use gardener's brushes with spray jets, there's one thing that's inevitable, and that is at some stage you're going to break it. So today I'm going to show you a quick easy way to change your spray jets. All you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a wood screw, a new spray jet, and either a pair of nips or a pair of pliers. First of all, what you've got to do is locate the hole where your spray jet's broken off. Just give it a tap with a screwdriver just to loosen it up a little bit. Turn your brush over. That should have brought your spray jet forward a little bit, and then you can just grab it with your pliers and pull it out. So what you want to do now is remove the broken off bit of plastic from out of the hose. Get your screw, put it inside the broken hose, the broken bit of spray jet, screw it in a few turns just so it grips it. Doesn't need to go far. Get your nips and pull, and the broken off piece should come straight out. So all you have to do now is put the new fan jet into the brush. You just line up the two little nibs on the back of the fan jet with the two little holes in the brush and push it in. Sometimes they're a bit tight and they might need a bit of a bang, but they should go in quite easily. They line up themselves. Make sure you don't get them facing the wrong way. Make sure they're facing along the brush. If they're the wrong way, those two little nibs won't line up properly. And then all you do is just push your hose back onto the back of the fan jet. There you are, job done. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Press the little bell icon and YouTube will notify you every time I release a video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.